wide, go wide, go wide. He's off, he's running.
It's a game of two-hand touch, and these guys are playing with passion.
Hopefully, nobody gets hurt.
Well, you never know. The oldest guy out here is 52 years old.
Most of us are like ex-high school and college players and other athletes from all over the state.
And some still have pretty good moves. Check out the fake pump and reception.
There it is.
They do this every year on this particular Sunday morning, the Sunday before the big Ohio State-Michigan game. And as most of you likely guessed, they're all Buckeye fans.
I'm not sure if I'd let them play if they weren't.
Russell Feinberg started this tradition 15 years ago. It's called the Pancake Bowl. Why the name? Well, after the game, they all go back and eat pancakes at Russell's house, as many as they want. But first, they need to work up an appetite, and believe me, they are. These players go all out. Even the youngest, Nick Marshall, is only 9.
I'm facing my dad, so I'm playing a little harder than I usually will.
They're doing real well.
And they're all confident that this year's team will beat that state up north on Saturday.
I think if we can go 12-0, we can claim that we can beat anybody in the country, and I think we will go 12-0.
But right now, they're worried about bragging rights in this game, Pancake Bowl 15. However, Nick takes a moment to say,
Go Bucks!
Mindy Dreyer, NBC4.